This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take off school management on a Chromebook. Understanding your device's management status is crucial, especially if it was issued by an educational institution. This management provides specific controls and security features for the school's network. We will guide you through the process of identifying and understanding these settings, ensuring you know what to expect. Remember, unauthorized removal may violate terms of service, so proceed with caution and awareness. Before attempting any changes, you must confirm if your Chromebook is indeed managed by an organization. This step is straightforward and provides crucial information. Open your Chrome browser, click the three-dot menu, and then select Settings. From there, locate About Chrome OS and click on Diagnostics. You will find clear information indicating whether your device is currently managed by an institution, confirming its enrollment status and the controlling entity. While a power wash can reset your Chromebook to its factory settings, it generally does not remove school or organizational management. This level of control is tied to the device's hardware and requires specific administrative action. True management removal often necessitates credentials from the controlling organization or for them to officially unenroll the device from their system. Attempting to force removal can have negative consequences, potentially locking the device permanently from future use or updates. Always seek official channels first. The best and most ethical approach to removing school management is to contact the institution that issued the Chromebook. Their IT department or designated administrator possesses the necessary tools and authority to officially unenroll the device from their management system. This ensures a clean and authorized removal, preventing any potential issues. If you are no longer a student, they can guide you on returning the device or provide proper documentation for its full release. Always prioritize official channels for the smoothest process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.